Namaskar, I am Manoj Kumar. Welcome to in the program Press Meet. In this program, we cover press conference, media interaction and a speech of the chief guest at the program. So without spending so much time, let's go to the event.
I am Captain Daniel J. Joseph. I am Deputy Director General of Shipping, DG Shipping, Mumbai. Press conference from the Directorate General of Shipping is that DG Shipping wants to create awareness among all the seafarers that they should work on board safely and come back to their loved ones safely. Also, we want to create awareness among all the seafarers, all the potential seafarers who want to come to shipping to be safe and not be cheated and go through the right agencies, right methodology, right guidelines and be on board safely without getting cheated. That is the aim of this seminar. So there are job opportunities available for women seafarers, and seafarers, especially Indian officers, are much in demand. If you had seen my the presentation, there is a ICS BIMCO report where it says that there will be a shortage of 26,000 officers in the year 2026. So there is a huge demand, and also for the current geopolitical situation because of the Iran, Syria and the Russian-Ukraine war, there is a huge demand of Indian seafarers because the ship owners don't want to get seafarers from that war-ridden country. So they are all turning to India. Indian seafarers are in much demand because they are technically sound, very proficient, good English speaking. Ratings, there are some issues with their English, but we are addressing these costs. And there are a lot of demands for these seafarers. So we also want immediately promote Indian seafarers, not only seafarers, women seafarers along the men seafarers, so that they can work on ships and promote Indian culture and Indian seafarer heritage worldwide. There were issues like how to go on board safely, which I had proposed, and the key takeaway from this thing was people were telling that we are from a very low income family, and where we can get loans, how we can get into it. So NUSI, the unions and Maritime Training Guilds have come forward. In fact, few people have donated 50,000 each to start a corpus to support these seafarers, create a fund, and deserving candidates can be interviewed, selected and promoted on ships. So this was a key takeaway from the seminar. Yeah, my appeal to all the seafarers and potential seafarers, safety is like Suraksha Sarva Pratham. We have to be safe all the time. Please be careful, safety first always. Whenever you are going on ships, be safe. Follow the safety protocols, and for the potential seafarers who want to come on sea and wanting to choose the seafaring career, please be careful. Follow the DG shipping protocol, don't go to agents, don't pay money, and be safe on ships. So that is what is the main agenda here, to create awareness among the seafarers to not to get lured into the false and fraudulent agents. They will have these surreptitious practices. They will demand money, take money and run away. So please be careful. Go through approved RPS agency only. If any doubt, go through the dgshipping.gov.in website and be safe.